I'm Johnny with OnlineLabels.com, and today I'm going to walk you through the steps of making your own cosmetic labels. If you're new to the cosmetics industry, this part of the process can seem intimidating, but the good news is there's a lot of room to be as creative as you want. In this video, we're going to cover choosing your label's size, shape, and material, design tips, and how to apply your label to your product. First, you'll want to determine what size and shape your labels need to be. And don't be afraid to experiment here a little. Some things you want to keep in mind are how much information you want your label to convey, the shape and size of your product or container, if the package or the product are more visually important to you, and any industry trends. The next thing you'll want to consider is which label material to use. Think about the contents of your product and what kind of environment it'll be in. Weatherproof materials are an excellent choice for most cosmetic products because they offer great resistance to moisture and frequent handling. If you want a barely there label look, our clear gloss labels are a great option. Our clear gloss label materials for laser printers are also weatherproof, so you don't have to sacrifice durability for looks. Once you have your size, shape, and material picked out, it's time to design your labels. We recommend using our design software, Maestro Label Designer, to create your labels. Starting with one of our pre-designed label templates is a great option if you're new to design. Once you choose a template, you'll be able to change and adjust the text, add shapes and images, and more using our user-friendly Maestro Label Designer. Here are some tips to get started. Incorporate your brand's colors to maintain consistency. Use various text sizes to show a hierarchy of importance. For example, making the product name the largest size. Incorporate different fonts. Use imagery and graphics that support your brand and sales message. Another option is to download one of our free blank templates and use your favorite design program to create your label or adjust your artwork. Think about safe zones, bleed, and overlap so none of your design gets cut off during printing. For more detailed information on safe zone and bleed, check out our video on designing your labels for easy printing. You can find the link in the description below. If you decide to go with a wraparound label for your product, there's usually a sliver of overlap at the ends of the label. Consider measuring how much overlap there will be and marking that on your canvas so parts of your design don't get covered. The FDA lays out label regulations for cosmetic products, so become familiar with those and make sure your label is within those legal guidelines. Some essentials you'll have to include on your label are net weight, contact information, instructions for use, ingredients, and product warnings. When it comes to applying your labels, always make sure your surface and hands are clean first. For curved containers like bottles and jars, it's tempting to want to start from the edge of the label and work your way around, but this actually makes it difficult to apply straight. To achieve the best results, we recommend starting from the middle of the label and working your way around to the ends of the label. For more information on cosmetic labels and our other products, visit us at OnlineLabels.com and be sure to subscribe to the channel.